Hey there, this is Katie with Sola Flowers. Today we have a brand new tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to make a pin-on corsage. We're going to start by gathering all of our supplies. We have some Sola flowers, of course, a little bit of filler, some wire stems, and of course hot glue. We're going to start by stemming these few wood flowers that we have. Here we are using a dyed flower in a blue shade. You can use raw or whatever colored flowers you would like. Now we're going to get ready to add our filler. We just have a few different types of preserved filler that we're going to be using. We have a little bit of lavender, and you're just going to add that into the handful with your stemmed flower. Arrange it how you'd like. You can move the filler up and down to get the look you're going for, and then add a little bit of tape to that. Make sure you tape it nice and tight so that it stays in position. Now you're going to repeat the same step with the next type of filler that you're using. Here we have a little bit of baby spread and some other natural fillers. We're going to add those in, adjust them as needed, and then we're going to tape them down. We are going to add just a touch of greenery with some of our preserved leather leaf. Has a beautiful vibrant green color. Now we are going to take a little bit of thin off-white ribbon. We are going to twist it, make a couple little loops, and this will go at the bottom of our mini little floral arrangement that we have for our pin-on corsage. We're just going to trim these stems and the ends of our filler, make a nice clean cut. And then we're going to attach our little ribbon bow with some hot glue. You want to make sure you use enough glue that it's going to hold on and stay there, but not so much that the glue becomes messy and gets stringy, or you'll just be dealing with something that's pretty frustrating and can look messy. Now that we have the bottom of our pin-on corsage glued on, we are ready to attach the pin. Here we just have a basic pin, and we are just attaching that with a bit of hot glue. And now your pin-on corsage is done and ready for you to wear at a dance or a wedding or any other event where you just want to be a little bit fancy. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoy this tutorial, and happy crafting!